Hello student, in this video we will continue with lines and angles. Today we will discuss about the two important theorem and one important result relating to triangles. So first of all, write lines and angles. So first theorem we can write sum of the angle of a triangle is 180 degree. As usual we write here given a triangle ABC to prove to angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 equal to 180 degree. Now constructions. So first of all, if we will draw the triangle ABC. Construct a line parallel to BC, in which you can give the name of this, write P U R and give the name, this is X Y. Construct the line XY parallel to BC and write down the name of angle 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This is the construction which we need, that is XY is parallel to QR. Now we can write construction, draw XY parallel to QR. Now we can write angle 1 plus 4 plus angle 5 equal to 180 degree. We write here proof. And we can write angle 1 plus angle 4 plus angle 5 equal to 180 degree. Why it will come? Because of the straight line. This is the first. And then we can write angle 4 equal to angle 2 and angle 3 equal to angle 5. Why we write so? Because XY is parallel to QR, therefore these are pair of alternate angles. So this we can write is second. So from first and second substitute the value of angle 4 equal to angle 2 and angle 3 equal to angle 5. Then we have angle 1 plus angle 4 plus angle 5 equal to 180 degree. But when we substitute angle 1, angle 4 in place of angle 4 we can write angle 2, and in place of angle 5 we can write angle 3 equal to 180 degree. So we can prove it by using the parallel line concept. The sum of the angle of triangle is 180 degree. Sum of the angle of triangle is 180 degree, and it is very useful for finding the angle of any triangles or any side of the different type of questions. Okay. Now we will move to second theorem, that is also relating to triangles. This one is exterior angle of the triangle. Exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of its two opposite angle of a triangle. According to this statement, we have given a triangle. You can take any name, PQR or ABC. I am taking PQR. PQR. Here we have to prove from the figure. We can draw the figure in which we have to show 1, 2, 3, angle 1, 2, 3, and that is 4. And we have to prove by the help of this angle 4 equal to angle 1 plus angle 2. So write down here proof. So first of all we can write angle 3 plus angle 4 equal to 180 degree. Why? Because of linear pair. The first statement we can write for this angle 3 plus angle 4 is equal to 180 degree because of linear pair. And we can also write angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 equal to 180 degree. Why? By angle sum property. Now see, angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 equal to 180 degree. So what we write for angle 4 equal to, can we write in place of angle 4, can we write angle 1 plus angle 2, because we have already showed that. So we can write angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 equal to 180 degree. So we can write in place of angle 4, that is angle 1 plus angle 2 equal to angle 4. So angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 equal to 180 degree. So you can write here angle 4 equal to angle 1 plus angle 2. So in place of 1 plus 2, can we write angle 4? Angle 4 plus angle 3 equal to 180 degree. Taking from first and second, we will get it by putting angle 4 equal to angle 1 plus angle 2. So we can write hence prove, and the statement exterior angle of the triangle is equal to sum of its two opposite angle of the triangles. So this is the second important theorem for triangles, in which exterior angle of the triangle is equal to sum of its two opposite interior angles. Okay. Now one more result will do.